Hello everybody, welcome to Being Simple. This is the video number 20 of our series OpenSTAAD tutorial for beginners. From this video, we will start creating geometry in STAAD using OpenSTAAD and Excel VBA. In this video, we will create nodes. In the next videos, we will start creating beams, we will create supports, etc. Those who have not watched the previous videos, go to the playlist section and find this OpenSTAAD tutorial for beginners playlist. You will get all the OpenSTAAD videos here. Now coming to, so to create nodes, you have to use a OpenSTAAD function, your OpenSTAAD object dot geometry dot create multiple nodes. Then you have to pass the node numbers and their coordinates, node coordinates. So these are two variables we need. Both will be array type variable. So first, let's declare the node numbers array. So you see the node numbers is 0 to 1 as long. This is a long array type variable. If you want to create two nodes, then you have to use this 0 to 1. If you want to create three nodes, you have to use 0 to 2. In this video, we'll create two nodes. So for each node, you have to assign the node numbers. Say node number 0 equal to 1 equal to 2. So we have assigned two node numbers. 0 means first node number, 1 means second node number. So 1 and 2 is our node numbers. Now for each node number, we have to assign the coordinates x, y and z coordinates. So we have to declare the variable which is the node coordinates that will store the x, y, z coordinates for each node. This 0 to 1 is nothing but these node numbers. So here is two node, so you have to write 0 to 1. If it is three nodes, you have to write 0 to 2 like that. For each node, there will be three coordinates x, y and z. So this is 0 to 2. 0 means x, y, 1 means y and 2 means z coordinate. Now you have to assign the values to the node coordinates variable for node 1 and node 2. This is for node 1, so this will be all 0 and this will be 0, 1 and 2. And for node 2, this will be all 1 and this will be 0, 1, 2. And this is the coordinates. That's all. If I run this code now, you will see two nodes is created here. Let me run it. See, the nodes are created. Let me refresh this view. See, these two nodes are created. If you change the coordinates here, run this again, you see the node coordinates getting updated. But there is a catch. When you want to create new node numbers, but you have assigned this 1 and 2, so the existing node numbers are getting updated. You will first get the last node number of the structure and will be that last node number plus 1 like that. So this node number will be last node number plus 1, this will be last node number plus 2. Then there will be no overlap of the node numbers. So you have to first get the last node number. There is also a OpenSTAAD function to get the last node number. So you have to first declare the variable, then the last node number is your OpenSTAAD object dot geometry dot GetLastNodeNo. If I change the coordinate now and run this code, you see you get new node numbers. Let me change the node coordinates again run, then node numbers are created. So you will get all the nodes here. That's all. In the next video, we will do it from Excel table. We will assign the node numbers in Excel table, node coordinates in Excel table, and we will give a button here. All will be created here, because in this case we have to manually do these dimensioning your array. So we will generalize our code to use so that it can take the dynamic length of the array. Stay tuned for the next video. See you soon. Thank you.